Class, before I start in on chapter 6 here, Deviance and Social Control, I want to take a moment and show you something that I've added in your D2L. So if you go to our home page, you'll notice that under the weekly lecture notes and slides, I've added something called a weekly overview. I thought I would start doing this because I think it's a lot to keep up with this transition to online. So if you look at this document, it's kind of a schedule for the week. And it basically just is another way of stating what I would like you to work through and what is due this week for our class. So you can see at the top here, you've got when I'll be available for office hours, slight change to Tuesday's office hours. I'm kind of around a lot too, so if those times don't work for you, you can feel free to call or text or set up another appointment with me. So what you should be doing this week is working through Chapter 6 on social control and deviance, reviewing the slides and watching any of the lecture recordings like this one. And then there's an in-class assignment where I've asked you to watch 2 short videos and answer some questions to submit in the Dropbox folder for in-class points. I know that we also have a big week in class here because research papers are due on Wednesday. So if you don't get to this in-class homework until later in the week, that's fine. I'm just going to go ahead and put it up now for folks who are done with the research paper and want to kind of work ahead. At the bottom of this sheet here, this kind of grid, you'll see like a suggested workflow. You can go totally at your own pace through all of this. The only thing I'm kind of checking is that you submit any in-class work and work through the slides by the following Monday morning before class. So again, you do not have to do all of this today or Tuesday or Wednesday. Just by the next Monday, please complete this, and that's kind of how I'm checking attendance and etc. Okay, so that's just sort of a brief overview here on what that schedule looks like.